Hello guys, it is me, Play Button, and today I'm gonna go camping with my friends. So, first up is Proud and Peacock. Hey Proud and Peacock, hi. What did you bring? I brung matches to set up the fire. Oh, okay. Okay. Next is Minzy. Okay, hi Minzy. What did you bring? I brung some fishing bait. Okay then. Next is Redleaf. Hey Redleaf. What did you bring? I brung some fishing poles. Wow, that's come in handy. Then we have Mushroom Icon. Hi, Mushroom Icon. What did you bring? I brung some marshmallows, graham crackers, and chocolate. So we can make s'mores. Okay. Let's go!